Hello everyone! Welcome to October's Tasty Explorations video. I hope you all are having a fantastic fall. It's spooky season and a lot of people enjoy that, myself included. So it's really a time of year where you like to start to make those hearty, soul-warming dishes. So it was really fun to take a look at this cookbook. This month's book is called Sea Salt and Honey, and it's by Chloe, Olivia, and Nocholas Tsakiris. I'm not quite sure. They're a family from Greece, so I probably pronounced that incorrectly. My apologies, but it's a very interesting book. It's actually a father, Nocholas, and his two daughters that wrote it. So that's exciting to see, like, the family traditions and how they've passed on some of the recipes from, like, Nocholas's grandmother and so forth. The photography in the book is beautiful. Really lovely, rich photos. You can see an example there. The recipes, very fresh. They definitely have a strong emphasis on using the freshest ingredients, especially fruits and vegetables. There's not a lot of meat, but any Mediterranean diet tends to be a little lighter on the meat. There's seafood, of course. For example, some of the recipes I would not be a fan of. I don't go for octopus, but you know, it's definitely in there if you want to try it. Today I decided to make it's actually a cake. It's called carrot cake with honey, and I've never made a cake using olive oil before. So it's baking in the oven right now and it smells amazing. If there's ever someone out there who wants to invent smell-o-vision so we can all smell what's cooking right now, that would be fantastic. But I definitely think this is one of my top choices for books. Again, it's a little different. Greek foods, different ingredients, things we're not used to around here. So some of the stuff might be hard to obtain, but definitely exciting and different, and so that's why I liked it. And I think you should all head to the library to check it out. I'm gonna go check on my cake right now, and once it's cooled off, we'll give it a little taste test and see how it turned out. Okay, here is a piece of my carrot honey cake, and it does have a drizzle of honey on top of it. And again, it smells amazing. So it's still a little warm. We're gonna give it a little taste test here. See how it is. It's really good. I've always loved carrot cake. This is a little different, but I like it. It tastes very fresh. The only thing I don't have is they have this fancy Greek cheese that you're supposed to add to the top, but it's hard to come by, even here in Wisconsin. So I don't have the cheese, and I also didn't add the walnuts because there are nut allergies in my family, so we just avoid those. But otherwise, I followed the recipe exactly. Like I said, I've never made a cake using extra virgin olive oil before. I've used canola oil or shortening or, usually butter. But this is really good and really different, but I like it. It's sweet, but not overly sweet. Really good cake for a brunch, I think. So anyway, I hope you all have a fantastic October, and you should come to the library and check out this month's book. Again, it's called Sea Salt and Honey. And I think you might find something really interesting and tasty in there. Otherwise, I hope you have a great month, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.